Good morning, my dear students. It gives me great pleasure to talk to a student through video presentations like this as usual. In this particular video presentation, we'll think about a representation of root x geometrically, which is there in class 9 of CBSE. I am planning to add more videos for class 9 of CBSE. Those who want to have automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Share the videos with your friends and relatives and known circle. You can advise them to subscribe and watch. Subscription has no charges. Now, you know very well, for any natural number, if b square is equal to a, we mean to say b is equal to root a. If I am able to identify a point b, value b, such that b square equal to a, then b is known as root of a. Okay, root of a is nothing but if I am able to identify a value b such that b square equal to a, then b is known as root of a. Okay, a is positive and b is positive. That is being applicable even for real numbers. That is being applicable even for real numbers. Okay, now how to represent root x geometrically? Just see root x greater than 0. Okay, root of a negative number, of course you don't know. Okay, just listen carefully. What I will just do here is a simple application. Just listen. I'll draw a segment AB of length x units. I'll extend AB to C so that this is equal to BC is equal to 1 unit. I'll draw the semicircle with AC as diameter. That is possible. I'll mark the midpoint as O, let us say. I will just draw the perpendicular at B to AC. Drawing perpendicular, that is the construction anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, with the B as center, some radius, draw arcs and to intersect this at some points. With those 2 points as centers and draw an arc, join those 2 points, that will be a perpendicular drawn at B to the given. Let this be D. Now BD length is nothing but root x. You can prove how you get it exactly. Okay, now AC is equal to x plus 1. Therefore, OC will be is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Okay, now OB is equal to, just listen carefully, it is nothing but OB is OC minus BC, which is x plus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is x plus 1 minus 2 by 2, which is x minus 1 by 2. For this length is x minus 1 by 2. Now OD is equal to, anyway is the same as OC. OC we have seen x plus 1 by 2. Therefore BD is equal to root of OD square minus OB square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore this is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus this is x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Let me just expand using a plus b into a minus b. Therefore this will be x plus 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 by 2. Therefore here it is reduced to 2x by 2 into this is 2 by 2. This is nothing but root x. Therefore, if you want to represent root x on the number line, draw a number line with O center and BD as radius. You can mark point on the number line, that will be root x. Okay, that will be root x. Okay, here x gets cancelled. 2 by 2 is anyway gets 2 by 2 will be 1. Here 1 gets cancelled. It is reduced to 2x. Let me just explain once again how to represent root x geometrically. Okay, I'll just draw segment AB of x units. I'll extend AB to C such that BC is equal to 1 unit. I'll draw the semicircle with AC as diameter. I mark the center as O. I'll draw the perpendicular at B to AC. Let it intersect the semicircle at B. Okay, now length BD will be nothing but will be of length root x units. That is the meaning. Proof goes like this. Length AC is x plus 1. Therefore OC will be half of it. O is the center. And the diameter is x plus 1. radius will be x plus 1 by 2. Now length OB is OC minus BC. This is x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Take LCM, x plus 1 minus 2 by 2, x minus 1 by 2. Therefore, OD is nothing but OC, which is also is equal to x plus 1 by 2. This length is also x plus 1 by 2. And for BD is root of OD square minus OB square by Pythagoras theorem, which is root of x plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Root A plus B into A minus B. Use A plus B into A minus B formula. X plus 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 and x plus 1 minus x minus 1 by 2. Here 1 gets cancelled. 2x by 2 is x. Here x gets cancelled. 2 by 2 will be 1. Therefore, length BD will be nothing but root x. If you want to represent root x on the number line, draw the number line with O center and BD as radius. Mark point root x on the number line. Okay, after identifying root x geometrically, you can represent the same on the number line. You can represent the same on the number line. Okay, I will explain one more problem. This is a generalized case I have taken. Okay, I will take a particular example also. Represent root of 3.5 on the number line. Okay, draw AB of length 3.5 units. Okay, extend BC of 1 unit. Extend AB to C so that BC is equal to 1 unit. Then draw the semicircle. Okay, with AC as diameter. Let the center be O. Draw the perpendicular at B. Okay, draw the perpendicular at B to AC. Let it intersect semicircle at D. Now BD is nothing but root of 3.5. You can just verify anyway. You can, as before, you can just see AC is 4.5. Okay, therefore OC will be how much it is? Yeah, it will be 3.5. OC will be 3.5. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, now OD is also, am I right? Yeah, it's correct. This is also anyway, OC is 3.5 by 2, sorry. 4.5 by 2, sorry. 4.5 by 2. Okay, now listen carefully. Now OB will be, just listen carefully, OB will be OC minus BC, which is 4.5 by 2 minus 1. Are you able to follow? Which is 2.5 by 2. Now OD is the same as OC, which is 4.5 by 2. Now BD is root of OD square minus OB square by Pythagoras theorem. This is 4.5 by 2 whole square minus 2.5 by 2 the whole square. Let me apply A plus B into A minus B formula. 4.5 plus 2.5 by 2. Okay, into 4.5 minus 2.5 by 2, which is anyway root of, this is 7 by 2 into this will be 1, which is root of 3.5. Root of 3.5. For length BD will be root of 3.5. Let me explain once again. Draw segment AB of length 3.5 units. Extend AB to C so that BC is equal to 1 unit. Draw semicircle AC as diameter. Let the center be O. Draw the perpendicular at B to AC. Let it intersect semicircle at D. Now length BD is root 3.5. Now AC is equal to 4.5. OC is 4.5 by 2. I made a mistake earlier. See the correction. OC is half of it. Now OB is OC minus BC. 4.5 by 2 minus 1. Take LCM 2.5 by 2. Now OD is the same as OC, which is 4.5 by 2. Now BD is root of OD square minus OB square by Pythagoras theorem. Root of 4.5 by 2 the whole square minus 2.5 by 2 the whole square. Don't expand using your whole square etc. Use A plus B into A minus B. 4.5 plus 2.5 by 2 into 4.5 minus 2.5 by 2. This is 7 by 2 which is 3.5. This is 2 by 2 which is 1. Now this length is root of 3.5. If you want to represent root of 3.5 on the number line, draw number line, mark point O, okay, some point origin, okay, BD is radius, O center, mark points. This will be root of 3.5 on the number line. This will be root of 3.5 on the number line. Okay. For I think it is clear. Rest we'll discuss in the next video. You are supposed to write the steps of construction also the way which I explained. You should be prepared for that also. Thank you students for patient watching.